This video is going to walk you through how to add a course update. Your first step is to navigate to your Sandbox course. Once in your Sandbox course, use the left side menu to click on Updates. Once in the Updates section, you will see you have a text box that you can use to be able to post an update. You can use the Rich Text Editor for editing, formatting, and sharing your updates. I'm going to call attention to some tools you might want to use. Let's say I want to share that tomorrow we have a Unit 1 test and I want students to review a study guide to prepare. To make it easier for the students to navigate to the study guide, I can highlight the word study guide, click on the inline link button, and I can actually link to a material that's in this course. Once you have more materials in your course than I do, you can use the search to search by name. But as you can see, my Unit 1 study guide is listed right here. I'm going to select it and save changes. And as you can see, now my study guide is linked right in that update. A few other tools that I'll point out is you have an option to attach a file, a link, include items from your resource section, use an audio or video recording in your update. You can also post a poll. So below I have an example of a poll that I posted as an update for my course. I ask a question that goes in the text box part, what book should we read? And then I gave options for the students to choose. The other thing that you have right next to the poll is a copy button. If you click the copy button, this will allow you to add this update into other courses that you are an admin in. When posting an update, when you have sections linked, this is what your update page will look like. It will automatically default to post your update to all the sections that you have linked. However, you have an option to edit this. If you only want your announcement to go out to certain sections, you can just use the X button to X out which sections you do not wish to have this course update. If you mark a course update as an announcement, this promotes the update to the first section on the update page, as well as the first section of the course page until you remove the announcement. So I know in our last training, we pointed out that you could do an interactive announcement banner. If you added an interactive announcement banner, that will be your only announcement you want to post. And from then on, just continue to use the updates to post updates. The reason you would not want to post an announcement after you created an interactive announcement banner is then it would take away your announcement banner and replace it with your new announcement that was posted. So just for this example, I'm only going to post this as an update. And again, if you are someone that has not chosen to add an interactive announcement banner, you can feel free to check off this announcement button. And again, what that will do is push this announcement to the top of your updates page, as well as being the first section of the course page until you remove it. So I'm going to click post. When utilizing course updates, it's important to review your course settings. To do so, on your left side of the screen, you will click on the Course Options drop-down menu and click Edit Privacy and Course Settings. From there, navigate to the Other Settings, and you have three options that you can select. You can choose to give these permissions to all members, which would mean both students and the teachers of your course, or you can change it to just the course admins having this access. So I'm going to change from post course updates. I'm just going to allow only the course admins to post those course updates. Commenting on course updates. You can allow students to comment on the updates you post, or you can choose to just leave it at course admins. The last is edit discussion responses. That means that students will be able to edit their own discussion responses, not anyone else's. You can decide to leave that on or only allow course admins to edit discussion responses. Those are some settings that you should review before posting your course updates.